Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. It's the second match in round 3 and the scores are Old Harbour High on 19 points, Maggotty High on 16 points. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning this championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. First question is from Bible knowledge. Who was Israel's first anointed Old Harbour?
Saul.
Anointed king, yes. Biology. What part of the brain regulates homeostasis? Old Harbour High.
Hypothalamus.
Yes, and the pituitary gland and secretes hormones. English language. Spell the word cynosure or cynosure, which is a person or thing that is the center of attention or admiration. Cynosure is C-Y-N-O-S-U-R-E. Local affairs. Look at the monitor, identify this person. Lennox Channer. Chemistry. What is a more common name for the liquid petroleum gas, which is a 4-carbon hydrocarbon? Old Harbour?
Butane.
Correct. Music. Listen to the clip, identify the artiste. Tina Turner. General knowledge. Which of the Great Lakes in Africa was named after a British monarch? Old Harbour High?
Lake Victoria.
Correct. Spanish. Translate the following sentence to English. Ayer encontré algún tesoro. Yesterday I found some treasure. Geography. Motuhoa Island, the uninhabited shoe island, is located in which Pacific Ocean? South Pacific Ocean. Theatre and cinema, look at the monitor, identify this actor. Kate Winslet. Information technology. What is the name for any permanent software stored in the ROM that maintains its content with when the power is removed? Firmware. History. On the island of Hispaniola, which capital city was the most secure Spanish settlement between 1500 and 1510? Santo Domingo. Mathematics. A circle has diameter of 20 centimeters. To the nearest whole number, what is the length of the chord subtended at the center by an angle of 90 degrees? (14 centimeters). Physics. A man weighs 600 newtons. He runs upstairs of total height 4 meters in 3 seconds. How much power is exerted by the man? (800 watts). Sports. Look at the monitor, identify this person. Maggotty?
Granny James.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. In which year was the Battle of Ocho Rios fought in Jamaica? (1657). French. Translate the following sentence to English. Les fleurs sont belles. The flowers are beautiful. Literature. In the novel Green Days by the River, what is the full name of the narrator and hero? Shell Lamy. And art. Which local artist created the sculpture Talisman?
David Miller.
David Miller Jr.
I'm sorry, David Miller Sr. And that's the bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are now Old Harbour High on 25 points, Maggotty High on 18 points. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewers question. And the answer is Gulf of California. Congratulations to our winners. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.